When it comes to home renovations in Tempe, choosing the right construction company makes all the difference. So what should you look for to ensure you're working with a trusted partner? Let's break it down. First, check for licenses and insurance. A licensed contractor not only meets legal requirements, but it also shows they take their work seriously and are protected in case of unexpected issues. Second, reviews and testimonials matter. Hearing directly from past clients gives you real insight into the company's reliability, craftsmanship, and professionalism. Third, make sure you receive detailed and accurate estimates. A top company will take time to assess the project, consider local site conditions and permits, and provide transparent pricing so you don't get hit with surprises mid-build. Fourth, evaluate their communication and planning. You deserve transparent timelines, regular updates, and a team that keeps you in the loop from start to finish. At Infinity Builders, Tempe Remodeling and Construction, we deliver on all fronts: licensed and insured professionals, strong client satisfaction, precise planning, and clear communication. That's how you build with confidence. Ready to get started on your Tempe project? Contact Infinity Builders, Tempe Remodeling and Construction today for a trustworthy, high-quality experience. Visit us at 707 East Broadway Road, Tempe, Arizona, 85282. Call 602-671-0749 or email info@infinitybuildersarizona.com to schedule your consultation.